transmission line, how it's all cleared out, that one center.
Oh, wow.
I used to do that.
Damn.
That was hard.
That was a workout.
I was a T2 climber before I left.
Huh.
Highest I went up was like 60, maybe 70 feet. That's it.
Damn.
I can't go up any higher. I start getting shaky.
That probably was lit.
Oh yeah. I used to go in the boom trucks all the time.
Oh, damn.
The highest one was a 100-footer we went on.
Oh, shit. I'd probably shit my pants.
Oh man, my buddy Brandon was freaking losing his mind. He had to go up in the 100-foot boom and then climb another 30 feet up the tree.
Oh, damn.
Just to take the top out. We didn't have anything tall enough.
Yeah, I'd probably shit my pants.
All I know is when you drop like a 100+ foot tree, you feel it through the ground. Oh yeah.